On November 28, 2018, a convoy of road train triples crossed the East Alligator River at Cahill's Crossing. This is a popular area in the Northern Territory of Australia, where the river runs through a habitat of wild crocodiles. While the sight of giant trucks crossing the bridge is remarkable, it is also famous for some tourists accidentally feeding crocodiles, creating a dangerous but entertaining situation. This video was recorded at approximately 12:10 a.m. on January 7th at the intersection of White Mud Drive and 50th Street in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. In the video, a petrochemical splitter is being transported to the Heartland Petrochemical Complex, a large petrochemical complex currently under construction outside Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta. The splitter will separate propylene from propane, which will then be processed into recycled polypropylene. The Heartland Petrochemical Complex, once completed, will make a significant contribution to Canada's petrochemical industry and promote sustainable development in the production of recycled plastics.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
My heart almost stopped when I saw the giant monster transport vehicle passing under the overpass. I couldn't help but hold my breath when I heard the sounds of collision. I couldn't tell if it was the sound of brakes or the sound of the monster hitting the underpass. It was truly a moment that made everyone nervous and anxious. The driver's skills and courage in this situation were truly admirable. However, the support team's contribution cannot be ignored, because without their perfect coordination, this giant transport would definitely not have been successful. This was truly a risky mission with a very high risk rate. The Blue Marlin is one of the world's largest and most powerful semi-submersible heavy-lift vessels, designed to transport extremely heavy, bulky loads such as industrial structures, oil and gas rigs, or large-scale construction equipment. Dockwise is a shipping company that specializes in heavy-lift transportation services, primarily through ships like the Blue Marlin. Dockwise uses specialized ships like the Blue Marlin to transport objects that are too large and heavy for conventional transport, with the main method of transportation being to sink the ship to pick up and transport the cargo, then refloat the ship. The Blue Marlin is capable of carrying cargo weighing up to 75,000 tons and can transport extremely large-sized structures. Ships like the Blue Marlin are mainly used in energy projects, especially the oil and gas and renewable energy industries. Join Montejo as he transports a 12.3 meter long, 4.1 meter wide, and 4.4 meter high Komatsu PC 8-11820-ton hydraulic excavator into a Panamanian mining site. For this task, 20 Goldhofer modular trailers are used, each with a high load capacity and easy to connect, creating a flexible and robust transport system. Although the route is mostly flat with only a small slope, the operators still have to be highly focused, which confirms the importance and seriousness of this work. Every step of the excavator is meticulously calculated to ensure maximum safety and efficiency.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
On October 21, 2012, Space Shuttle Endeavour began its two-day journey from Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, to the California Science Center. This was a special event as the shuttle was transported through the streets of Los Angeles to its new home. During its journey, Endeavour passed by many famous Los Angeles landmarks, including major thoroughfares such as Sepulveda Boulevard and areas such as Inglewood, Leimert Park, and Crenshaw. The journey attracted the attention of many residents and tourists as they lined the streets to admire this historic event. Endeavour, the last NASA shuttle to be retired, was transported to the California Science Center, where it was put on public display. Loaded onto special transport vehicles, Endeavour slowly made its way through urban areas, impressing locals. The event was not only a piece of space history, but also a special moment for Los Angeles residents, as they had the opportunity to see a piece of the nation's space heritage right in their own city. The heavy-duty transport company, Karl Schwerlast, performed a special and impressive job of moving an old settlement house from Kockensdorf, near Tostedt, to Werendorf. The house was then exhibited at the Am Kiekeberg Museum of Local History, a renowned museum of cultural history and folk heritage. For this work, Karl Schwerlast used 3 MAN 41.640 trucks with 22 THP Goldhofer axles, one of the best axles for transporting structures, heavy and special objects. In addition to the main vehicles, the company also mobilized support and accompanying vehicles to ensure safety and stability throughout the journey. This work required precise calculations and high technical skills, because transporting a large old house is not an easy task. The Am Kiekeberg Museum created the conditions for preserving this cultural heritage, providing space for visitors explore the traditional elements of German rural life. The Karl Schwerlast Company excels in the transport of large structures, cultural heritage, and bulky industrial equipment, demonstrating its outstanding expertise in the field of heavy transport.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Max Transport faced a daunting challenge when it came to transporting a huge load, weighing far beyond normal standards from Bunbury to Worsley. Although the lorry was equipped with an oversized warning sign, the impressive size of the load, which towered 3 times its width, was unmistakable. It was a huge load, not only heavy, but also incredibly tall, making the vehicle a spectacular sight on the road. To handle the weight and size, the heavy-duty lorry had to be equipped with reinforced wheel axles, hydraulic suspension, and extremely precise steering, a true feat of engineering to ensure safety and efficiency throughout the journey. On July 4th at the Patia shipyard in Groningen, the vessel with hull number 154, named TMS Edersee, was launched. The ship was built by Groningen Shipyard and will be owned by Torsten Sanders from Haren. TMS Edersee is a large cargo vessel designed for use in the maritime transport industry. This launch marks an important milestone in the ship's construction and development, showcasing the technical progress of Patia Shipyard and the shipbuilding capabilities of Groningen Shipyard. Watch the impressive capabilities of the Nootboom Super Wing Carrier as it successfully transported a massive 57.5-meter-long wind turbine blade. This specialized transporter is specifically designed to handle the enormous size and delicate nature of wind turbine blades. The Super Wing Carrier features a unique combination of extended length, flexible joints, and an advanced suspension system, allowing it to navigate narrow roads and difficult terrain safely and efficiently. The operation demonstrated the precision and expertise required to move such large, oversized components, ensuring they arrive intact and ready for installation. This successful operation highlights the vital role that Nootboom's innovative solutions play in the renewable energy industry, facilitating the construction and expansion of wind farms around the world.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Four oversized tanks, each measuring 17 meters in length and 5.2 meters in diameter, were successfully transported from the port of Durban to the premises of our esteemed customer. This challenging operation was carried out with precision, ensuring the safe and efficient delivery of these abnormal loads. Transporting 375,000-pound, 170 metric tons, turbines from a manufacturing site to a new combined cycle power plant in the Northeast was an incredibly complex and challenging project that required careful planning of both the vehicle and the road. Edwards Moving and Rigging had to plan a multi-state move with special permitting requirements and close coordination with regulatory agencies to ensure safe conditions throughout the entire journey. Not only was the route long, but it also faced challenges such as bridges, tunnels, and other infrastructure. To move the turbines, Edwards used a number of specialized vehicles, including heavy-duty trucks and support equipment such as adjustable trailers and lifting equipment. The use of these vehicles was necessary to ensure stability and safety throughout the journey. The success of this project cannot be mentioned without mentioning the controllability and skills of the Edwards team of technicians and drivers. The team members had to work with great concentration, close coordination, and flexible handling of difficult situations along the way. After the transportation process, the turbines were safely delivered to the combined cycle power plant without any serious incidents. Edwards Company performed this with precision and efficiency, ensuring the schedule and meeting the customer's requirements. With this success, Edwards Moving and Rigging received the Hauling Job of the Year award at the 2018 SC&RA conference, honoring them as one of the leading companies in the heavy and complex freight industry. On Saturday, May 18, 2013, Wagenborg Nedlift successfully carried out an impressive transport operation at Bremen Machinery in Genemuiden, moving an 81-ton wire coil to the port. The coil, produced by Bremen Machinery for Van Oord, was carefully transported using heavy-duty equipment. Upon reaching the port, a Terex 8-axle crane was positioned to lift the coil onto a vessel with precise accuracy. This project showcased Wagenborg Nedlift's expertise in handling complex transport tasks and the seamless collaboration with other specialized teams to ensure the safe and efficient delivery of the heavy cargo. An impressive feat was achieved when Wagenborg transported a grab weighing no less than 101 tons from the factory in Genemuiden to the port. The heavy-duty transport was carried out with extreme precision, with the enormous weight of the jaws posing significant challenges throughout the journey. Once in port, the grab was carefully hoisted onto the Wagenborg buoy with the help of Wagenborg and BKV. From there, the grab will be transported to Bremen Offshore in IJmuiden, where it will be essential for offshore projects. The transport demonstrates Wagenborg's skills and expertise in handling the heaviest and most complex equipment, and the cooperation between the parties involved was key to the successful operation. Transporting a 30-ton bridge crane, especially an FM Class A8M8 with a width of up to 27 meters from the Comas facility to Brea, was not only a challenge, but a journey full of hardship and tension. Every meter of the journey was a battle with narrow spaces, dangerous turns, and harsh traffic conditions. The team of drivers and technicians not only had to deal with the enormous weight, but also had to patiently handle every smallest detail, meticulously calculating every move to avoid risks. Even a small mistake could have put the whole operation in danger. However, with absolute concentration and skillful hands, the driver controlled the giant crane with precision and safety. This was not just a journey of transport, but a test of spirit and strength where dedication and expertise truly shined on the arduous path.